This is the TEF Business Management Training Program. Module 4, Business Management Fundamentals. Table of Contents. This module covers the following: developing a marketing strategy or plan, budget preparation and monitoring, cash flow management and monitoring, entrepreneurial finance and access to capital. Overview. Developing a new product or service in the market involves proper marketing strategies. The essence of this is to increase the popularity and presence of the product in the market, as well as boost customer patronage. For a business to prosper and not run deficit or loss, keeping a concise and proper cash flow is pertinent. The module gives insight into these concepts as well as others that are relevant to the efficient operation of any business. Objectives. At the end of the training, participants will be able to identify how to develop a marketing strategy or plan, understand how to prepare and monitor budgets, learn how to identify and interpret financial ratios, learn how to manage and monitor an organization's cash flow, identify the capital sources available to a business, bearing in mind the implications of each of them. Developing a marketing strategy or plan. Now, what is marketing? You can define marketing as simply convincing your consumers, or customers, or prospective customers on why they should buy your product, or subscribe to your service against the ones of your competitors. It involves all the activities engaged in order to promote one's product or services, and advertisement is one of the tools of marketing, used in achieving its desired goals. Advertising differs from marketing. Advertising is defined as making new or existing products known to new or existing customers. It involves the use of internet ads, television, radio, newspaper, etc. Marketing encompasses this as it includes public relations, market research, etc. It involves a process of planning, implementing, controlling a mix of activities intended to achieve the desired goal, and gain an advantage over one's competitors. In achieving a marketing goal, the following processes are followed: identifying and stating marketing goals, choosing the right marketing mix, key performance indicators, KPIs, researching the market, customer profiling, profiling competitors, budget preparation and monitoring. Now, what is budgeting? It is the process of preparing detailed future financial plans for an organization. A budget is a tool used by business owners to plan and control the use of scarce resources effectively and efficiently. How to prepare a budget. You can begin preparations a month or more prior to the close of the current year. Then prepare an outline of the organization's planned activities for the upcoming year. Do careful studies, investigations, and research of funding, cost, and resources. Determine available funds, carryover balance from previous year, cash on hand, if any. Estimate expected income, and when it is expected to be available. Define needed expenses, advertising, rentals, printing, supplies, etc. Get price quotations on certain expenditures, and delegate certain responsibilities to relative importance, which activities are the wisest expenditures of funds. Choose, and decide programs to initiate. Ask yourselves how much funding is available to allocate to a program. Negotiate as necessary, eliminate fewer essential expenditures, or limit certain expenditures. Revise, coordinate, cross-reference, and then assemble information into a final budget. Vote to approve the budget. Financial monitoring. What is financial monitoring, and what are the advantages? It is the process of comparing the actual cost to the planned cost of a project. Using financial ratio like the profitability, efficiency, and liquidity ratios, one can assess the general performance of any business. The advantages of financial monitoring. It inspires motivation, and provides the zeal for future accomplishments. It helps increase self-esteem. Receiving feedback about one's performance fulfills a basic need to be appreciated and valued at work. It helps define jobs, and clarify criteria. The job of the person being appraised may be clarified, and defined more clearly, which makes employees gain a better understanding of the behavior, and results required of their position. It also helps enhance self-insight and development. Participants in the system have better chances of developing a better understanding of themselves, and the kind of developmental activities that is of value to them. Employees become more competent. As the performance of employees is improved, there is a solid foundation for developing and improving employees by establishing developmental plans. Its disadvantages include: employees may leave due to results. False misleading information may be used. Relationships might be damaged. Employees might suffer from job burnout and dissatisfaction. Cash flow management and monitoring. What is cash flow management? Cash flow management is the process whereby a company maintains control over and analyzes the inflow and outflow of funds. This is necessary to ensure that the firm always sits on surplus. The aim of cash flow management is to ensure the business does not run to suffer cash shortages. Here are the 3 importance of cash flow management. It shows to a great extent that the business enjoys steady and predictable cash flow. Also, the main purpose of cash management lies in maintaining positive cash flow over time. Cash flow management helps boost vendor and employee relations. To successfully manage a company's cash flow, the following accounting tools should be employed. QuickBooks is an accounting software package developed and marketed by Intuit. QuickBooks products are geared mainly toward small and medium-sized businesses, and offer on-premises accounting applications as well as cloud-based versions that accept business payments, manage and pay bills, and payroll functions. Plan Guru, designed for small to medium-sized businesses, Plan Guru's sophisticated methods allow you to budget and forecast for up to 10 years without having to create formulas. SME Tracker has proven to be of help to small and medium businesses. This is not software, but an accounting template built with the aid of Microsoft Excel, to help businesses monitor their cash flow effectively. The cash flow statement importance includes short-term planning, creating excess cash, long-term planning, helps in analyzing the working capital, providing the details of where the money is spent, revealing the cash planning results, knowing the optimum level of cash balance, entrepreneurial finance and access to capital. There are processes involved when seeking finance and capital. These processes are called the entrepreneurial process. These are the set of procedures that are followed by an entrepreneur for establishing a new business. These phases are identification of opportunity, having a clear vision, infusing others to your vision, resources gathering, creating the venture, bringing adaptivity with time, accessing capital. In accessing capital from a venture capitalist or angel investor, 3 documents must be prepared. The first is a business plan, the second is a financial model, and the third is a pitch deck. Having explained these in previous modules, we shall focus on how to access capital from an equity investor. The following must be followed: offer a product that solves a clear problem, identify target market, capital efficiency with clear revenue model, build a minimum viable product, validate the market demand. In our conclusion, for every business, the aim is to maximize profit and minimize cost. It is to this effect that business management helps design a blueprint on how to achieve this given the limited resources available. You have completed this module. You will find the resources and exercises for this module in the course description section. Thank you.